Okay, it's sunny, 65 degrees in Las Vegas, but we're headed to the mountains in Utah to my brother's cabin to have a few days of R&R, snowmobiling, quadding, whatever the conditions are. We got the toys to do it. Anyway, hopefully, we'll be back and we'll be enjoying the jacuzzi and the pool and the wonderful, wonderful weather. Oh, look at that. You can see snow from here even. All right. Well, we'll see you in Utah. Adios. Okay, we made it into the cabin. We beat the snow and we got everything unpacked. It's very cold out. I think it's like 17 degrees or something. Anyway, gonna be very relaxive. Some snow here and there. We can either snowmobile or quad, one of the two, as the sun goes down in the west. Yep. Okay. We'll be back tomorrow morning. We got to get dinner ready and all that kind of stuff. There's inside. Getting the TV going. We got some movies to watch. Oh yeah. Looks like old Denise got stuck. What's the problem? It's a flounder on snow. See, Wild Willie, you're not the only one who gets stuck in deep snow. Look at that. I think, oh, she's in the creek. Evidently, she didn't know she was in the creek there. And now she's got that baby stuck. Denise, wave to your family. Your dad would be proud of you right now. Get that shovel that's sitting in the back. That'd be like approximately right there, the shovel. Start shoveling. Luckily I got a winch on the quad. Getting dark and cold. Mr. Wild Willie, you want to go help? No way, I'm all warm here in the quad. I'm staying here. Okay. Well, here's what we woke up to. 5 to 8 inches of new snow, powder. It's gonna be a great day. Look at those trees. My machine's kind of buried there. Let's take a look off the back deck. Yep, Wild Willie's gonna love today. And so is Snowcat. Yep, Snowcat can't wait to go outside and play in the snow with her friend Wild Willie. Yep, pretty awesome out. Ready to go out there, Snowcat? You ready to go outside? Take your little friend Wild Willie. Here's the situation. It snowed over a foot and it's still snowing, so we got to get the car out. So we're leaving the quad, we're taking the snowmobiles and taking them all the way out to the freeway and park the car. Look at that. That shows you how much snow there is. All right, here we go. Here's the situation. We got the other snowmobile. We're ready to go. We're at Wolfie's. He's right up there. Yeah. And we're leaving the car here, and then we got a 7-mile journey through that to get back to the cabin where there's food, drink, and wolf. It's almost whiteout conditions out here. It's unbelievable. Jeez. We're halfway back. A little farther. That's where we're going, where you can barely see anything. It's just whiteout. Jeez. get stuck. There she is again, stuck in a ditch, and I'm frozen because I had to keep pulling her out and shoveling her out. Well, Lily, you want to go back home? No? No, I don't. Shut up.
But he was wrong. Here he comes.
This must be for girly men. Men who wear girl panties. And we got Craig Winter doing a daredevil stunt.
No, I didn't think there'd be much snow, but the Lord has blessed us with about 20 inches since yesterday. So I'm going to go out in the meadow.
Hey, you got that shovel?